What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your man, the Trucking Trader, and we are back with another legendary video. Today, we're going to be doing a pre-market technical analysis on Nasdaq. I'm going to be giving you guys some of my predictions, what I think is going to happen, not only today, but for the rest of the week. We do have NFP coming out this Friday, and we do have a couple other news folders going on as well. And for the rest of December, we have a couple other news folders to look forward to as well. So let's get straight into this breakdown. So far on the Nasdaq, as you guys can see, I want to jump into a higher time frame. I always like to be in the higher time frames. Practice what I preach. So, all right, what I'm looking at is this right here. As you guys can see, I'm on a daily time frame. We have not made a swing high yet on the daily time frame. So what I'm looking for this daily candle to do, which is this candle represents 2 days price action. I'm looking for this candle to not come above this daily candle and close below. I'm sorry, or close. I want to see the wick pretty much close lower than this wick, right? I don't really care what the bodies do. And the only reason I want to see that is because I want to see a swing high get made on the daily time frame, right? And then if I take my Fibonacci tool and if I measure this out, okay, let me zoom in for you guys. I want you guys to see this as clear as possible. If I take my Fibonacci tool and I go from this swing low to this swing high, y'all can clearly see perfectly, right? The body of this order block on the daily chart, the body of this order block is in a discount zone. So I am looking for the market to retrace and hit this order block. I don't know how long it will take for the market to do that. It could take a week. It could take, 2 weeks. I don't know. But that's what I'm looking for, right? So I'm going to be looking for that to potentially buy the market back up, or I'm going to be looking to sell the market back down into that area, okay? So now I'm going to jump to the 4-hour time frame. And pretty much, you guys, my strategy pretty much revolves around the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour time frames, all right? So on the 4-hour, as you guys can see right here, we don't really have too much structure to go off of. There's no swing lows that I'm looking for right now to be broken. However, and I'm going to remove this Fibonacci off of my chart because I don't want to have too many lines on there. I'm going to remove this off. All right, so we don't have a swing low yet. So I will be looking for a swing low to be made on a 4-hour time frame. If you guys don't know what a swing low is, it's a 3-candle pattern where the middle candle, the wick of that middle candle should be lower than the bodies and the wicks of the candle to the left and the right of it, okay? So that's essentially what makes a swing low. And the opposite can be said for a swing high. So what I'm going to be looking for is something like this, right? I want to see the market come down here and break structure and then, pull it back up, come down again, maybe go up again, sweep liquidity out, and then eventually come back and hit that daily order block, right? Now, let me take y'all to the 1-hour chart because on the 1-hour, we have a little bit more structure. And this is typically why I like to use the 1-hour time frame because you can see a little bit more structure on the 1-hour. Meaning, like, as you guys can see, we didn't have a swing low on the 4-hour chart. But on the 1-hour chart, we have this swing low right here. And what I'm looking for is for this swing low to be broken. And when this swing low gets broken, if it gets broken, I'm pretty sure it will. But whenever it gets broken, I want to see the market make a displacement candle, which is essentially just a big candle going to the downside, right? And that big candle, when it is when it is displacing, I want to see it leave like a gap in the market, right? A fair value gap to be exact, right? So I'm waiting for this low right here to be broken, and then when this low gets broken, as long as we see a big displacement candle, we can look for a sell going all the way back down to at least this gap right here, because you remember what I told you guys and what ICT teaches us. the market, two things move the market: gaps in the market and liquidity. All right. So this big gap in the market, I will be looking forward to this right here getting filled. And then we have equal lows down in here, right? So I want to show you guys this. So let me show you guys. If I take my fib from this swing low all the way right here on the 1 hour chart, and I put it all the way up to the top up here, doesn't have to be perfect. Notice how these equal lows right here, I want to zoom in on these equal lows so y'all can see them, right? This right here is the liquidity that I'm looking for to be swept. I don't know when it's going to sweep it, but that's what I'm looking for, and that is on the hourly chart. If you're a new trader, my challenge to you is to go on your chart and view these things for yourself, all right? So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that swing low to get violated, because once that swing low gets violated, that is going to be a market structure shift on the smaller time frames for me. Overall, I still do believe that we're in an uptrend, but if we could get that market structure shift on a 1 hour chart, that is going to give me the confidence to start taking the sell back into that gap or back into a discount zone. So let me show you guys what's on my chart. On the 30-minute time frame, I'm looking at this order block right here, waiting patiently for this order block to get violated, right? This order block right here. I'm waiting patiently for this to get violated. Like I said, I want to see the market come down, violate this, take out this swing low right here, and create a fair value gap. Okay. And that is essentially all I'm looking for right now. As you guys can see on the 30-minute time frame, we're already kind of making like a shift in market structure. We're taking out these lows right here, the swing low, and then we're already making a gap in the market, right? So keep your eye out for that. Something to already look forward to. Yeah, let me see. So on the 30-minute time frame, that is not what I was trying to do, right? The market will have to at least go right there. Right, to create this gap. But I want to see it continue to go lower because I'm looking at it on the hourly time frame, right? And I want to see this thing continue to drop down and sell off. So that is essentially what I'm looking at. This red box on my chart, if you're wondering what that is a order block on the hourly chart. I can show you guys this order block on the hourly chart from a long time ago. Right, this is the order block that I got boxed up on my chart. These two candles right here, I use the bodies of these candles. I use the low body right here, and I use the highest body or the top of the body on this candle, but I essentially use these two candles. And then yesterday we had the market come in, right? Look at all of this liquidity that was swept yesterday, right? Just all of this liquidity was swept. And then the market came in here and it went just above the midpoint of that order block, and now we're starting to see a sell-off. So I'm just waiting for the market structure shift on the 1 hour, and then I'm going to be looking to take the sales. So if you guys learned anything in this video, if y'all think this was a good pre-market analysis, if y'all want me to do more pre-market analysis videos, leave a comment down below. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate all of the new subs that we have been getting and all of the new support that we have been getting on this channel. I salute everybody and I appreciate everybody. Until the next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.